Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Golden Gate Bridge and why it's red. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the Golden Gate Bridge located in Los Angeles? No, it is located in San Francisco, California. Was the bridge completed in 1937? Yes, construction finished in 1937. Is the bridge's official color called fire truck red? No, it is called international orange. Was the bridge always planned to be red-orange? No, the color came from the red primer used on the steel. Did the U.S. Navy want the bridge to be painted with black and yellow stripes? Yes, for visibility, but the designers chose international orange instead. Was the bridge built to replace a highway? No, it was built to replace slow and unreliable ferries. Is the Golden Gate Bridge longer than 1.7 miles? No, it is exactly 1.7 miles long. Does the color help the bridge stand out in foggy weather? Yes, it increases visibility in bad weather. Is the Golden Gate Bridge only used by cars? No, it is also used by pedestrians and cyclists. Is the bridge a symbol of American engineering and creativity? Yes, it represents innovation and human determination. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.